There's toys. You can play. Come on, I got toys. Over here. Look it. Look it.
It is absolutely colossal. It was once the largest building in the world. The largest one ever.
Oh, that chicken makes you thirsty.
Where's your toys? Nick! Come here, Nick. Come on, Jack. Jack. Well, Jack, if you don't want to play with them, Nick's going to play with them. Nick, go play with Jack. Jack, Nick, come on. Nick, where's Jack? Don't eat the ball. Give me that. You can't eat it. Give me that. Oh, you squashed it. Well, that's the end of that. Oh, okay, that's the end of that one. That's why dogs don't play with cat toys. Come on, Jack. Nick, where's Jack? Nick's having more fun with the cat toys than Jack is. Oh my, give me the cat toy. Give me. Dog slime on the catnip toy.